Hello team, we're checking in. We're trying to get rid of this bush out the front, and I bit off more than I could chew. That used to be double the size. So I called in the big gun. Samma's here, fucking helping out, and we're getting the likes. We can't see him. Thanks for your help, mate. He's got the Recipro Milwaukee 18 volts. This looks nice. And yeah, we're four of these bins full. Hopefully we can get rid of it. It's bin day tomorrow for Green's bin, and yeah, we've made it up now. But anyway, it's getting the old pen back here so you can see a bit more. Yeah, that's fucking terrible. Anyway, want to shift it so I can get a couple more cars on the driveway because that bush is just out of control and we'll just level it. So that should be cool. Let's just come back here so we can see old Samma. Ready to go. Nailed it, mate.
Right.
Look at that.
There.
Too easy, mate. You'll be a bloody gardener person soon. Mate, the fucking plumber can do anything. Yeah, yeah. Good time. Righto team on that one. Some big one. Righto team on that one. We'll check out. See you, mate.